Hello class, this is the information for EDUC 621 week 1. So we're going to start with the discussion forum. The discussion forum questions, as I told you guys in the introductory video, are due on Thursday night. So that means that you won't have one due tomorrow night because that's too soon. Some people may not have seen this video. So it's going to be due on the 16th. So that means you'll be doing discussion board question 1 and 2, week 1 and 2. They will be due on the 16th. The introductory videos are actually due Sunday night because these are actually an assignment inside of week 1. So what you'll need to do is do the week 1 and the week 2 discussion forum questions by Thursday night, the 16th, but you need to get the introductory videos done by this Sunday night. I hope everybody understands that. If you don't understand what I'm trying to relay to you, then you can use this link here where it says Ask Questions of Dr. Hampton. Any questions or concerns that you have, you can put them here. Feel free to text me, email me, post a question here, or just simply call me if you'd like. So you want to get that done first. Then you want to go to weekly assignments. And by the way, there's no textbook for this class. We'll be working on projects and doing some working with hands-on applications. So for week 1, I have the learning outcomes here. And I have a bit of a cold, so please forgive me. I have the learning outcomes listed for you for this week. We're just going to be going over the syllabus, over your assignments, and if you do not have access to TK20, which is where we house some of your projects, you need to make sure that you get an account for that. And I have information inside of week 1 for you to Miss Kelly Ashworth if you don't have an account. Your assignment for this week is to create a video, and the video will be of yourself and just your introductory video, and then watch the welcome video and create a blog. We will not be doing the avatar presentations this week, so I will take that one off. We won't do avatars this week. We'll do those another week since you have 2 discussion questions. So the teacher blog this week for week 1. So number 1, you're going to complete the video, the introductory video. Then you're going to create your teacher blog. So you'll create your very own teacher blog using Blogger. And if you don't know where Blogger is, when you go to Google, and you all have Google accounts from Campbell, when you go to your Gmail account, if you click on what I call this little pad here, you will see Blogger. It's a B and it's kind of orangey yellow. You click on that, and you will sign in and actually create a blog. There will be templates there for you to create your blog, and I've given you the information that I want inside the blog. Please be creative. Once you've created your blog and you've got the account open, you can choose colors, layout, and font sizes that you prefer. And then you're going to use the same information that you put in your video. You're going to use that information again. So the introductory video about yourself, about your family, what you like, your philosophy. You're going to put that information inside of the blog typed, and you're going to attach your video from the introductory video. You're going to attach it to the blog as well. So the information from the video will be there inside the blog and the video. Okay? And then do know that you need to make your blog private so that just anybody can't get to it. Make it where only people with your link can get to it, or people that you've invited can get to it. That way you can invite people from the class, and you can invite me to your blog so that I can grade it. But you don't want outsiders going there to the blog, okay? Because you don't want people commenting that are not in the class. So you do your teacher blog, do your introductory video, and then make sure that you have access to TK20. If you do not have access to TK20, you need to contact Miss Kelly Ashworth. And here's the link to TK20. And once you get inside TK20, You just need to send me a screenshot that you're in. Okay, that's all I need for that. But I need to make sure everybody's in because we have assignments that have to be loaded inside of TK20, so you've got to have that. So that is week 1. So there again, that covers it for week 1. The 2 discussion board questions are due on the 16th. The assignment introductory video is due this Sunday night. The teacher blog is due this Sunday night. And the access to TK20 is due Sunday night. So we're going to treat this like a class where things are due on Sunday night. Okay? All right. Thank you very much.